Hey guys, I just woke up, that's why I look so ugly. And I'm going to bring, my brother wanted to bring my stuffed animal and pretend she's real. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. So I made a Pop-It ice and we're gonna pop it out today. Yay! So first, let's get a bowl.
What's a bowl? What's a bowl?
You don't know what a bowl is?
What's a bowl? What's a bowl?
Well, it's something you don't know.
Yeah, that's cool. Wait, what is something that's not cruel? Cruel?
It's not cool.
Yeah.
I made a video. Owie. Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yo, yo, my name is Jeff. My name is Look at that Mexican.
This is the face.
Whoa!
Oops. No. I'm going to try to pop out the first one.
Look. Oh my god.
Look, Mom.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And then there's a little teensy one.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, I'm not eating it. It came out of a toy. Ah! Done.
I want to pop gum. Pop the last one. The last row.
Yeah. Oh my god, that feels so satisfying. Guys, I have a good idea to make it
You're
satisfying.
very loud.
Or I have a good idea.
Well, we already popped it. Alright.
No. If you guys want to pop it and make it look satisfying, put it into ice and then crunch it up and then put it under the circle and then just pop it right away and feel how satisfying it is. Boom, boom, but. You're popping a Pop-It. I mean, you're eating a Pop-It.
No, this is ice, man.
Oh my god. Damn it! It gives me goosebumps.
Do you want to eat?
Okay. Okay, it's cold and wet. It's cold and wet. I'm out of here.
Mom, should I just Mom, should I throw this out or should I
Eat it because your hands are all over. You didn't wash the Pop-It before.
I've watched the pop. You know?
Yeah.
Look how cold it is, Mom.
Very cool.
Should I just... Mom.
Oh yeah.
Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna... Actually, Charlie, do you want to do a fidget trading video?
What?
Do you want to do a fidget trading video?
No. I just...
Well, fine, then I'm gonna show you to the fidgets. So you already know the poppet, this poppet. I watched it a couple of times to like make it a little louder because last time it was so quiet on one side and very loud on So that's the first one. And there's slime. Slime's a fidget. Okay. Oh, geez. I love making slime, and I made this one. I love playing with this one. It's hard. It's hard to stretch because like it breaks at some points. But then, like, it's not sticky and it's squishy. So I give this a 10 out of 10. But this poppet, I'd give like 8 out of 10, 9. Oh Jesus, I did that yesterday. Okay, so let's clear it up. Then I have this. Charlie, can you turn that down? That is very loud. Please? Okay, thank you. Then this, one of my second favorites. I've never showed you guys my fidgets because I was like, I only showed you my puppet, but then I didn't want to share. What the? Wait 1 minute. Charlie, wasn't this upstairs? Charlie, wasn't this upstairs?
Wait a second.
I'm just kidding. That one has the rainbow. For a minute, I thought it was like the same one. Okay, that's done. I give this an 11 out of 10. Actually, like maybe a 7.9 out of 10. Because I don't really. I think it's loud and sometimes it's very breakable. And then, but yeah. Okay, next one, my favorite poppet. This one really works really well. Oh, I kept it on the loud side. Oh, they're both loud. This one has 2 loud sides, which I'm happy about. I rate this 20 out of 10, 23 out of 10, and actually 100 out of 10. And this, like 5 out of 10. And like, well, give it a 15 out of 10 because they can turn, you can actually make snappers with it, which is cool. So I rate 15 out of 10. Okay, next one, which I was just talking about with the wacky track snapper. I just got this at Cape Cod. It's a black one because I love the black. Ten out of 10. Like, I love this one. This I traded with my brother. I don't know if I'll trade it because he only has one poppet now, so I don't really want, like, I want him to be happy. So, but I really like this. It's a flip poppet. Charlie, do you want this poppet back? Okay. Well, I rate this an 8 out of 10 or a 7. Because, like, if you put it on the floor and do it, it's gonna be hard because it's the floor. Then this squishy. I have a lot of squishies, but I gave some to my brother's file because they're the ones that are really. And some I traded away. I rate this a 5 out of 10 because that's not really that much squishies. This. $20 out of 10. My brother rated some of my stuff last time, but not on camera. But I rate this 20 out of 10. So, guys, I might be doing a part 2. But I have 2 more things I'm going to do. Okay. And then I might do a part 2 later today. So, this. 100 billion out of 10. I love this. This is my favorite Orby thing. My second favorite Orby thing because this. The face came off. So I'm gonna. And then this is. I think this is my last pop. Oh no, I have one more pop in my thing, which I'll do next time because I'm too lazy to do it. They have ABC stuff on it. I rate this like 11 out of 10. I'm not really, like, this one's hard, but I really like it. I got it from one of my best friends. Well, my best friend, Lucy. She gave me it in a trade a long ago. Like, on the day I got a lot of these fidgets, she gave me. So yeah, I'll be doing a part 2 later. Not right now because I just woke up a little while ago. So yeah, bye.